If you actually want to ruin your life, congratulations, it's ridiculously easy. Step 1. Do absolutely nothing. Not rest, not planning, just rot. Sit there scrolling while telling yourself you're processing things. That's elite-level self-sabotage. Step 2. Wait for motivation. Act like action depends on feeling good. Guess what? Motivation doesn't show up at broke, tired, or insecure people's door. Step 3. Avoid responsibility like it's poison. Blame your parents, friends, luck, society, the algorithm, anyone but yourself. Accountability destroys excuses, so stay allergic to it. Step 4. Chase comfort like it's success. Sleep late, eat trash, skip workout, call discipline toxic. Be proud of being lazy, then wonder why life feels heavy. Step 5. Compare yourself to everyone online. Watch highlight reels, call it research, and quietly hate yourself. Perfect move if confidence is your enemy. Step 6. Surround yourself with people going nowhere. If everyone around you is stuck, complaining, and joking about failure, stay. Step 7. Start things, never finish them. New goals every week, zero consistency. Be known as the guy with potential. Step 8. Ignore your health. Sleep whenever, move never. Energy drinks count as nutrition, right? Nothing ruins ambition faster than a dead body with Wi-Fi. Step 9. Avoid hard conversations. Ghost. Stay silent. Explode later like a surprised bomb. Step 10. Be addicted to validation. If nobody claps, stop. If nobody notices, quit. Let strangers decide your worth. Step 11. Say, I'll do it later, until later disappears. This is a classic. Works every time. And finally, step 12. Convince yourself this is normal. Tell yourself everyone lives like this. That lie is the coffin. Nobody ruins your life overnight. You do it quietly, daily, on autopilot.